Hello, good evening, dosto. My name is Sohit. So today I am present in front of you to talk about the very interesting and I would say the very hot topic, like how to get the fluency in English. So it is the very big questions, or I would the very secret questions, because uh, those students or those people who are learning English or who are in the first step of learning English, uh, they actually want to speak. That is the last aim or the last target for all those people who want to learn English and who want to at last speak English in front of the people, in front of the public, or like to have a conversations with someone. So these are, I think, the desired target of every people who actually learn English, want to speak English in front of the audience, in front of the peoples and amongst the society. So I would I definitely I have some things about the fluency, and which I will speak in front of you today, and I think you will like it. So to get the fluency in English, you have to first learn it very, I would say, very in a very proper way. Like when we start learning the English, we first learn some grammar rules, some sentence structure, basic informations, fact and concept of forming of the sentences and framing structures and the sentences. And second important thing is the vocabulary, because first thing is that we know the structure, we know the sentence formations, and after that comes the vocabulary or the word meanings related to our daily life. If we talk about the speaking, so we have to memorize it, we have to use it, and we have to learn every day the vocabulary words. Okay, so we have the first knowledge of sentence formation structures as well as the vocabulary. Like in the structures we would imply the vocabularies and some basic rules. After that we can make the sentence properly, then we will be able to speak in front of the people. So okay, uh, with a with spending a proper times, and I would say desired times or validated time on learning it, then it comes to speaking. And when it comes to speaking, we feel hesitate, and even we feel like disconfident. We feel that I do not have confidence to speak it, even though we speak ourselves in a very nice way, and we speak ourselves we speak ourselves in our mind in a very fluent way. When But when it comes to speaking to others, or when it comes to speaking in a loud way, we actually forget the structure, sentences, vocabulary, and we get speechless. That is the big hurdle or the hindrance, and it is the truth. Initially, when I started speaking, I got speechless after just speaking two or three sentences, and I used to think that what is that things and how can I break that? How could I overcome that these things? But frankly speaking, over here, it would only it would go only practicing. Take the risk, take the steps, go to the peoples, or otherwise just open your camera and record yourself. It is a very nice way. Why am I doing like to erase and wipe out and overcome such type of feelings like hesitate and fear of speaking and fear of making mistake. But in front of the camera, I'm recording myself in a very nice and peaceful environment just to overcome these things. And that's how we can get the fluency. It is the real secret. I would tell that initially, when it comes to speaking, for me personally, I feel very hesitated, I feel full of fear, and sometimes or many of the times I felt that I am speechless and I didn't have a proper words to speak in front of the people, even though I knew that I had a lot of words in my minds and I could speak to myself in my mind. But when it comes to speaking aloud, and when it comes to speaking in front of the people, in front of the cameras even, I feel hesitated, I felt like down and embarrassed even. So there is a no shortcut. Go with the mm, go ahead and record yourself, talk to yourself, improve your skills, and find, and at the last and consecutively you will find that yes, I'm doing good, I'm doing great, and finally I'm able to speak at least in front of the camera. And you also don't, you also will do not care that if you are speaking right or wrong. Just you are speaking, that means you are speaking. This is the secret. So I hope you will speak to yourself first. After that you will record yourself, and after that you can find the audience. Because when we talk about the fluency, we do not fear about the mistake. Like I am recording myself and I don't care about my mistakes, because I know if I will continuously speak, if I will continuously learn, then I will definitely erase my all the errors or the mistake one day. That is the secret. Thank you very much. Stay tuned with me. We will meet in the next video. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel, and don't fear of anything. Don't have the fear of anything. Thank you.